In today's video, I'm going to show you how to split cells in Google Sheets. Splitting your cells makes your data easier to read and analyze. So here's how to do it. First, select the cells that you want to split. Go to Data and Split Text to Columns. Once you click on that, you have here your separator, which you're going to choose. And for this one, it's space. So when we click on that, our cells are split, but they have overwritten the next column. In order to avoid that, we're just going to have to add another column before splitting your cells. Let's go ahead and do that. So before splitting your cells, let's add a column to the right. There we go. And now we can split our cells again. Select your cells, go to Data, Split Text to Columns, choose your separator, which is the space, and there you have it. First names are split with the last names. Let's try that again. Here in the main cast, some of the actors have 3 names. So we're going to add 2 more columns to the right. Again, not to override the already existing columns in your sheet. So there we have it. We can also select the column, go to Data, Split Text to Columns. Again, select your separator, which is again space. There you have it. You've also split the main cast, your header, and you have some with just the first name and the last name, and some with the first name, middle name, and last name. Now let's try splitting the release date. So no need to add more columns here because there are a lot of empty ones. So let's select our cells, go to Data, Split Text to Columns, and this time we're going to customize our separator, which in this case is a dash. And there you have it. Press Enter. You have split the cells to the year, to the month, to the day. And that's how to split cells in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.